Hey, what's up everybody? It's Rusty Pop with Pop Properties of Antero Real Estate Services, and today we get to bring you this gorgeous townhouse in South San Jose. This is 95136. It's another beautiful unit in Hampton Falls Place. So I'm at 4641 Hampton Falls Place in San Jose, 95136. It's totally remodeled from top to bottom, perfectly ready for somebody to move into. Two fully functioning primary suites with their own bathrooms, as well as a half bathroom downstairs. So it's 2 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, 1,805 square feet. So where I'm at now is the formal living room, and behind me is a formal dining room. It has an enormous, beautiful kitchen that'll make you feel like you're on vacation right off of a separate family room. Totally open concept floor plan where you could throw a beautiful party here. Great for when you're interacting with your guests. And right outside your front door is this beautiful open patio that's about double the size of the average for a townhouse. And then of course what I love about this property and really anything on this side of the complex is it has beautiful views of the mountains as well as overlooks the Guadalupe River. This place has so many upgrades that it's almost too much to list, but let me try. We have a kitchen that has been adorned with quartz countertops, tons of storage, stainless steel appliances that are either KitchenAid or Samsung, and a wine fridge. All the flooring has been upgraded. Even though this property brings in so much natural light from these huge windows that are all around it, we also have recessed lighting as well that really brightens the place up. And that's all of course accentuated by these soaring ceilings. There's new trim, there's new hardware, and there's new paint throughout the entire home, and that includes the updated bathrooms, new faucets, new mirrors, gleaming quartz countertops. It makes you kind of feel like almost you're in a brand new home. There's always the cosmetic things that really make a house shine and make it beautiful, but there's some expensive upgrades that you kind of don't see, and I like to point those out as well. First of all, this property has double pane windows, which is good for energy efficiency. It's also an added expense that a buyer won't have to take on, given that it already has those. It also is very good for canceling out the exterior noise while you're inside the home. This house has central heat and central air conditioning. It has a 2-car garage that's attached to the unit, which is super unique for a townhome, and even better than that, it has a massive laundry room with its own washer and dryer. We all know that I love Blossom Valley and I love 95136, and this is one of the best townhome complexes that you'll find in this area. The location couldn't be better. You're not far away from Oakridge Mall, where there's plenty of shopping and dining options. You're also close to Trader Joe's and Whole Foods. You're also close to Almaden Expressway, Blossom Hill Road, 85 and 87, all of which are great commute avenues that can take you to the peninsula where all the tech jobs are that have made Silicon Valley world famous. In addition to that, we have Lake Almaden close by, Cottle Park, which is 252 acres of parkland that'll never be anything else. There's lots of hiking trails for mountain biking, and we're on the south end of San Jose, close to Los Gatos, but also close to Gilroy and Morgan Hill, where there's plenty of vineyards and wine tasting options. As always, I really want to thank you for taking the time to watch this video presentation of this beautiful house. If you'd like to see this house, or if you have any questions about it, feel free to reach out to me at the number that's on the screen. And if you have any other real estate related questions, whether it's here in the Silicon Valley, the Bay Area, or really anywhere in the world, please let me know, and I'd be happy to talk to you.